Yog Nidra is a guided meditation technique. Here in this process, what are we trying to do is that we are resting consciously with awareness, remembering that our mind is awake and aware and it is in the receiving mode, and consciously your mind is experiencing that deep sleep. One appears to be deeply sleeping, but the mind is receiving on the subconscious level, and it is deeply giving rest on the mental level, on the physical level, and also on the emotional level. And yes, also on the cellular level. This practice comes from the ancient tantric practices. We must have heard about the nyasa, and nyasa is something which is very difficult for a normal person to practice unless he is initiated into it. So, Swami Satyananda Saraswati, who is the founder of Bihar School of Yoga, gave us this practice in a very simple, systematic and scientific way so that normal people like you and me can also experience deep rest. It is scientifically said that 1 hour of Yog Nidra is equal to 4 hours of deep sleep. In Yog Nidra, you are not doing anything. You are actually allowing your mind to reprogram itself. It is bringing your sympathetic nervous system, which is fight and flight mode, which is the survival mode, to the safety mode, coming on to the parasympathetic nervous system and giving deep rest to the body. You are bypassing the brain here, so the brain ultimately will not interfere into the natural processes that it has been used to doing. Now, it is different from the normal meditation practices because here you're guided and we follow the steps of Pratyahar here, as in we withdraw our mind from all our other senses, keeping only one active sense, which is the auditory system, and you're only listening with awareness to the voice that's guiding you into the practice. Yog Nidra benefits you on the nervous system. It benefits you. It helps maintaining homeostasis in the body. It reduces your stress. It keeps your cortisol. It reduces cortisol basically. And there are n number of benefits that Yog Nidra can vouch doing. 1 hour of Yog Nidra is equal to 4 hours of deep sleep. When we practice Yog Nidra regularly, it is scientifically said that 67% of dopamine is released. There are 8 steps to Yog Nidra, which we'll check out in the next video.